One of the first questions that likely comes to mind when doing research for an outdoor kitchen project is, what is this going to cost? Type of outdoor kitchens. Now let's go through the types of outdoor kitchens, as what type you choose is by far the most impactful thing regarding the pricing. Start with built from scratch. This option refers to having a specialty builder or a contractor building your island from scratch. A built from scratch option gives you a ton of flexibility in the design, as these options can be completely customized. The construction process and materials used can vary from things like building a frame out of wood or metal, paver block systems, or even concrete block in traditional masonry. These usually come associated with a higher upfront investment. Depending on the area of the country you are in, these types of options are usually going to start around $10,000, but a lot of these built from scratch projects are typically between $20,000 and $30,000 and up. Modular kitchens refer to a lot of the stuff you will see at a big box store or online retailers. These are typically constructed as one-piece units or pieced together in different modules. Most of these options are constructed out of aluminum or metal studs that are then wrapped with cement board and cladded with some form of manufactured veneer or even stucco. The concept behind these is they are a more convenient option and require a lower barrier of entry into the outdoor kitchen market with a lower upfront investment. These typically start around $4,000 for a straight island setup and can go up to about $12,000 for a more elaborate layout. With convenience and a lower upfront investment, you will certainly compromise on the quality of the material and the longevity of your investment. Most of these options are designed as more of a short-term solution where you can generally expect to pay more over the lifetime of ownership. Performing some sort of maintenance or even replacing things as quickly as a few years later can typically be expected with these options. Lastly, you could go with an RTA outdoor kitchen that is a ready-to-assemble solution that essentially gives you the convenience of a prefab or modular solution with the flexibility in the design to customize your layout without the price tag of a completely built-from-scratch option. Our construction process is different from just about anything you'll see out on the market, as RTA is made up of structural panels that make up the base. And because the panels are structural, there's no need for a frame. And since the finishes are incorporated during the casting process, there is zero chance for delamination of the cladding material. We use premium grade materials for every aspect of our outdoor kitchens, and our islands are made from a high performance concrete material that has a 100-year rating and is also engineered to withstand any climate. Here at RTA, we strongly believe in long-term solutions, which is why we offer a lifetime warranty on our structures. As far as the pricing goes, an RTA outdoor kitchen is going to fall somewhere in the middle of the market. We certainly won't be the least expensive of options, and certainly won't be the most expensive, as we typically fall about 20 to 30% less than a built-from-scratch outdoor kitchen from a contractor or a specialty builder. The good thing about our kitchens at RTA is that you can avoid a lot of the factors that drive up the cost of other outdoor kitchen projects. Since our outdoor kitchens are lightweight construction, they don't require structural footings. Also, because our outdoor kitchens aren't considered a permanent structure, you likely can avoid the need for a permit in most municipalities, which will save you the time and expense of getting permits. Our islands assemble as quick as a few hours, and if you assemble it yourself, you can avoid the hassle and the cost of hiring contractors altogether. To give you an idea on the pricing of some of our islands, we have straight island options that range from $5,000 all the way up to about $10,000. Our lower end L shapes start around $12,000 and can go all the way up to about $18,000 on the higher end. And our U-shaped and more elaborate layouts will start around $18,000 and go up from there.